Does polyethylene glycol 3350, Miralax, cause diarrhea? Have you ever wondered if polyethylene glycol 3350, commonly known as Miralax, could lead to diarrhea? Let's break this down in a straightforward way. Polyethylene glycol 3350 is an osmotic laxative primarily used to relieving occasional constipation. It works by drawing water into the colon, which softens the stool and makes it easier to pass. This process increases the water content in the bowel, which can sometimes result in looser stools. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Because polyethylene glycol 3350 increases water retention in the colon, diarrhea or loose stools can be a side effect. This is especially true if someone takes more than the recommended dose. Typically, the onset of action happens within 1 to 2 hours after taking it. In cases of excessive use, it can lead to copious watery diarrhea, which may cause dehydration if fluid intake is not sufficient. For individuals with sensitive stomachs, irritable bowel syndrome, or colitis, this effect can be particularly noticeable. These conditions often involve heightened intestinal sensitivity and altered bowel habits. Therefore, the diarrhea caused by polyethylene glycol 3350 may worsen symptoms or lead to discomfort. It is important for those with these conditions to be cautious with dosing and seek medical supervision to minimize the risk of diarrhea and dehydration. To summarize some key points, polyethylene glycol 3350 can cause diarrhea by pulling water into the colon, which increases stool liquidity. Diarrhea is more likely if someone takes higher doses or overdoses. For people with irritable bowel syndrome or colitis, the diarrhea from polyethylene glycol 3350 may worsen their symptoms. Maintaining adequate hydration is crucial to prevent dehydration from diarrhea. Medical guidance is recommended to balance the relief of constipation with the potential risk of diarrhea. In essence, while polyethylene glycol 3350 is effective for treating constipation, it can indeed cause diarrhea. This effect should be managed carefully, especially for those with sensitive digestive conditions.